Caillou, why are you sad?
Rosie, classic Caillou broke the fourth wall.
How is that a problem?
Well, now the haters will come into Beast Boy 25's videos.
No, not haters.
Wait, we should rebuild it.
Okay, let's go.
There, let's rebuild it.
I got the bricks.
Wow, that was a hard job. Let's go home.
Okay.
Rosie and Caillou, I can't believe you rebuilt the fourth wall. That's it, you're ungrounded for life.
Yay, thanks Mom.
I can't believe Rosie and Caillou rebuilt the fourth wall.
Hey Adam 2100 Plotigan, Rosie and Caillou rebuilt the fourth wall.
Yay, oh my god, they did. Yay, I can't believe it.
I know, yay, let's celebrate with pizza.